Bent over barbell row, a very good compound exercise to improve the strength and thickness of the entire back muscle. Holding the barbell shoulder width apart, bend your hips and stand in bent over position, keeping the back straight and the chest upward. Pull the bar toward the abdominal muscle and then squeeze the back muscle. Then with the control form, bringing the barbell to the starting position. You have to perform this with this form. Single arm lat pull down. Isolate and strengthen the latissimus dorsi muscle. Increases the range of motion compared to traditional lat pull down. Attach the D handle to the cable machine or lat pull down machine and stand or sit facing the machine. Grab the handle with one hand and pull it downward toward you until the entire lats muscle is squeezed well. Then stretch the lat muscle by moving the handle upward with control form. It has to be performed with other hand also with the same form. Seated machine row. Focus on the mid and upper back muscle. Sit on the machine, resting your chest on the pad of the machine. Keeping the back straight, hold the handle of the machine and whenever you pull the handle of the machine, hold it for 1 to 2 seconds, squeeze the back muscle and slowly bringing the handle back to the starting position. If this machine is not available in your gym, then perform seated cable row exercise. Straight arm pull down. To create a wider and V-taper back, you can mostly stretch the lat muscle. Attach the rope cable or straight bar cable to the cable machine and stand at a short distance from the machine with the slightly bend your knees and keeping your back straight. Pull the cable down in front of you, squeeze the lat muscle and then controlling the speed, move it upward to stretch the lat muscle. Wide grip lat pull down. This is one of the best exercise to make the back wider and V-shape faster. This target the outer portion of the lat muscle. First of all, sit on the machine with your hand wider than shoulder width, holding the lat pull down bar, keeping the back straight and the chest upward. Pull the bar toward the upper chest and then squeeze the lat muscle and slowly bringing the bar to the starting position and stretch the lat muscle. Pull-ups. Target the entire upper back, especially lats muscle. Improve grip strength and overall upper body posture. Hold the pull-ups bar with shoulder width apart and hang. With control form, pull your body upward and squeeze the back muscle and then slowly bringing the body back to the starting position. If necessary, take the support of your gym partner or gym trainer.